So I have a confession to make. I haven't been totally honest with you. I've pretty much all but stopped wearing foundation. I think I've worn foundation maybe 5 times in the last 4 or 5 months. Yeah, I've just skipped it all together, and I'm going to show you what I've been doing instead. Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Melissa, and today I'm going to share with you something that I've been using most of the summer, most of the spring, and I just haven't been digging the way foundation looks on my face. I think as I've gotten older, less is more, and the trick that I've been using is just concealing the places that need to be concealed and leaving everything else natural. It's getting ready to storm here, so the next clip that you're going to see was filmed before it started to get dark and stormy, so the lighting may look a little bit different, but I'm going to roll the clip of how I actually achieve what I think is a fairly light, flawless look for the summertime. So stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to apply is my Sunscreen Day Cream combo, which is this one, which I talk about all the time because it is a holy grail for me. But you should put on whatever your favorite sunscreen is. So I just rub this in, get some good coverage all over my face, under my eyes. So while that's drying down a little bit, I'm going to talk about some of the concealers that I've used and been really happy with the way they look on my face for this kind of no makeup, literally a no foundation look. So the goal here is to use the concealers to cover those spots and areas that are the most in need of correction. For me, there are a few hot spots, if you will. Certainly this little area around my nose. I have a couple of healed blemishes here, but the redness is still going down a little bit, so I will probably hit those up. Definitely this little sunspot here, and you know, I have a couple other like darker sunspots that I would probably naturally like go to cover, kind of blur those out. My goal here isn't to cover them completely, it's just to kind of soften them for a really natural, easy to wear look. And I'll also do under my eyes because that area needs a little help as well. So I have 3 concealers that I've actually tried this look out with. I have others in my collection that I haven't done it yet with, but I'm so excited about this look that I wanted to just go ahead and share it with you, so maybe you would experiment with some of the concealers in your collection. One of the reasons why I really like using the concealers is they tend to be a little bit more pigmented and they just really get the job done super quick. These are ones that I feel are a really good color match. They blend out well, so it's almost seamless, and I've had really, really good success with them. So I'm going to start with an old favorite that you've heard me talk about a lot, and that is the Infallible Pro Glow. I really dig this concealer a lot. I think it's fabulous, but the Maybelline Fit Me is the same consistency, so that would work. You know, I would experiment around with the concealers you have and see which ones work for you. Another one is an old OG YouTube favorite concealer that hardly gets any love anymore, and it's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. It's this one with a little sponge applicator. This one is really, it's like, this is almost like a mini foundation, and I just put it on and blend it away, and this one is really fast and easy. Love this one as well. The last one is from Fenty Beauty, and it's the concealer that I got in the 3-pack. And one of the things I really like about this one is it's just really such a beautiful color match for me. And I will just draw this wherever I need it. This is something that I'll reach for when I maybe want to do more of my face, because I think the finish is really beautiful. So those are the 3 that I've been using. It doesn't mean that's the only 3 that'll work. It just means those are the ones that I've used that I've had really great success with. So for today's video, I think I'm going to go to the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind with the little sponge, because this is pretty easy. And a lot of you may have this in your collection. So generally what I do is I just click up a little product here, and I just start applying it where I need coverage. I usually start here, I go down my nose, and oh, I need more product. Just kind of dab it where I think I need it. Lately I've been going here in the corners, just, I don't know, give myself a little lift, and under the eyes. And that's really about it. That's not a lot of product. And then I just take my damp beauty sponge, this one is from L'Oreal, and I just start tapping away. Then with like whatever little extra is on here, I'll just go over. I mainly am attacking my T-zone. It's where I have the most redness, and it's like the center point of your face. And that's about it. Now, this is a little more prominent. I'm going to go ahead and just put like a quick another layer on there, because I think I may have tapped most of it off. So my goal here isn't flawless. That's not my goal. My goal is just to blur out the imperfections and keep my skin looking really natural. It's such a comfortable look for this summertime because you aren't wearing a lot of layers and it doesn't feel cakey or heavy. You know, if you perspire, you don't get like funny little marks, all those things. But I will finish this off with a little bit of setting powder. And what I've been using is the It Bye Bye Pores, just because I'm really very close to finishing it. I think this is a great setting powder and it really blurs out the lines. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this little flat top brush and set that before I do anything else. And I'm just dabbing this on my skin because I don't want the product to move around too much. Whatever, you know, wherever I've placed it, I want it to stay put, but I want to, you know, get that flawless look. And this is just a translucent powder. This has no color in it. The It Cosmetics, there's no color in that. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so you can see like the finish that I've achieved with just 3 things. Just a little bit of this, a little bit of this, and some finishing powder. So I think that gives you a really great flawless look. But it looks like your skin, you just like it's not heavy. I am such a fan of doing this, and I could hit this with a setting spray, and I probably would under normal circumstances. I'm going to be swapping out some of my makeup, so I don't want to totally set it because I'm filming multiple videos today, but this is the finished look, and I think it's beautiful. Honestly, would you know that I don't have foundation on? What do you think down below? Is it enough to trick you, or can you tell? And would you try this? Would you go out with just a little bit of concealer on in a few key places? So I publish videos every Saturday morning, and I'll include a link to last week's video right up here. And if you are new to my channel and would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and click on this little bee icon, and that'll take you to the subscription page on my YouTube channel. And you can subscribe, hit the bell notifications. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you real soon. Bye!